Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Baby Mothra from Godzilla King of the Monsters. So, to start off, we are going to begin in the middle of our paper, and I'm going to start off by drawing two small circles. So I'm going to draw one small circle there, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to draw another small circle right there. Now, after I draw that, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here, a little bit away from the eye, and I'm going to draw almost like a C shape, and I want it to touch the eye just like this, and then stop right there. Don't quite go all the way. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to start back here, and I'm going to draw this kind of like backwards C shape, and then I'm going to stop it right there. Then inside of here, I'm going to draw another line, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Next, let's draw the mouth. So to draw the mouth, I'm going to start it right between the eyes, and I'm just going to make a circular shape like this. Then, down the center, I'm just going to make a little zigzag shape for the mouth. Now, above this, I'm going to draw a couple curved lines just to show a few little wrinkles. Then I'm also going to put one underneath here as well. Now, up here on the head, I'm going to draw a circle, but I'm not going to connect it all the way. I'm going to leave a little bit of it open. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw two more of those, but I'm just going to draw two small ones. Now, let's finish off the head. So, starting under here, I'm going to draw one more, kind of like long smiley face shape. And then starting right here at the edge, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes out. And then I'm just going to curve this all the way around the head, and I'm going to meet back on the side right here. Now, also on the head, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little curved line like this. This is one of her kind of little spikes that come out. And then I'm going to put one more over here on this side. Then I'm going to draw two little lines on the end of it, just to make it look like it's kind of sticking out. Now, I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to draw a couple of her legs. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make those same shapes like I just made for those little spikes. And I'm going to make a couple of these coming down. I'm going to put about 3 on this side. And then I'm going to put 3 over here. Just like that. Now, after I draw that, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just connects all of these together. And then I want to do the same thing on this side. Now, starting up here, we're going to draw some of the rest of her body. So starting right here, I'm going to start by the head, and I'm going to draw a line that just goes right to one of the legs. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw another line that goes down to the legs. Then I'm going to start a little bit lower, and I'm going to draw another one down to here. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side, but I don't want them to be as big as this. I want them to be smaller. So I'm going to start here, And I'm just going to make these same shapes, but I'm going to make them a little bit smaller. Just like that. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that curves down just like I did before, but this time I'm actually going to curve it all the way up like this. Then I'm going to start another line back here, and I'm going to curve this one around, and I'm going to end it right here on this one that I just drew. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to add a few more of these, and as I add these, I'm going to get a little bit smaller on each one. And I'll stop right there on that one. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down and comes all the way to here. And then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to draw another one of these curved lines right here. Now, on the bottom of her, she has kind of like a scaly pattern. So, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a big smiley face that comes all the way to here. Then I'm going to start right here and do the same thing a little bit lower. I'm going to jump over her little feet. And then I'll leave this one just like that. Now, on the end of her, she has a tail. So, to draw the tail, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that just kind of comes up like this at a curve. Then it's going to curve back down like this. Then I'm going to make a triangle shape. I'm going to start here, I'm going to go up and then down like this. Then back here, I'm going to add a few little triangle shapes just for some feet, and then I'll put one more right here. And there you go, there's your drawing of the Baby Mothra from Godzilla King of the Monsters. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.